All right, language explorers. Let's have a look at today's Sunday preposition. So inside of, where something is. I am inside of the building. What is inside of the box? What is inside of the box? Do you think it is inside of the house? Maybe. We might find it inside of this chest. Inside this chest, maybe. Do you think inside of this chest? Do you think it will be inside of those boxes? Those boxes, maybe. Possibly. Yeah. We found it inside of the box. The coin was found inside of the treasure chest. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. I'm looking for it inside of this box. We have been searching for them inside of these boxes. Yeah, quite important. He will be looking inside of those boxes. Yeah. Sometime soon they will be looking inside of that chest, that cave, that house, anything. I'll be looking inside of those boxes. We'll be looking inside of those boxes for my things. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Now, can you use inside of in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy by searching for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.